Saved by the bell. Alright, so today we're gonna install the Rockbros bell on the trike. I'm not really set up right now. I don't have my tripod with me. It's over there in the car. You are on the PGY Tech tripod. It's windy, so you might be checking out a little bit. I apologize. So pretty much this is what I got, the Rockbros bike bell. Alright, so this bell comes with pretty much everything, even the hex key to install it. The only thing it doesn't come with is instructions. So of course I looked it up online, watched a good YouTube video on how to install it, and we're gonna do it now. So it comes with two of these bands for a regular standard handlebar. We'll go for the shorter one. Mr. Beagle's here. He wants me to throw his ball. There he goes. So, based on the video, you gotta loosen up this hex key up here. Find a good location. He wants his ball throw. I think we're gonna go right side, right here. So you're not gonna be able to see this, but it's gonna go in here. Let's go this way. Out. Where'd you put it? Ball. Ball. All right. All right, so once you get that engaged in the little T-clip things, it goes on pretty easily. So now we start to turn if Mr. Beagle doesn't start barking again. Let's see if we can make it. We didn't make it. He beat us. All right, there we go. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.